Nah. Yeah.
Smoke session for you bitches.
We live in the bake, you dig? Sub-Zero on the track, Too Smooth, Hide Up, Prince the manager.
You know what I'm saying?
Nice J.O. You dig? You feel me?
Get it, man. We about to keep this free for y'all bitch asses. I told y'all Hide Up promotions were about to come up.
Hide Up.
Hide Up.
I've been telling these niggas about this Hide Up shit.
You know what I'm saying?
We just put it in the bake.
We're gonna be the youngsters that's gonna bring it up for everybody, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna do our thing and try to show y'all what's the grinders out there, you feel me? Real talk.
Let's get it. And if you don't know, now you know. Nigga. baby.
It's all good.
Girl poppin' for pimp, make it juicy for bigger. Bend it over for Pac, and I'ma show you this Willie, and you gon' beat it like Mike. I'ma beat it like Ike. We just met up in the club, but we fucking the night. See, freaks come out at night, and ain't no club in the day. We all came for the same thing, that's all I'ma say. We tryna drink a little liquor, we tryna smoke a little hit. We tryna catch us a nut at the end of the day. But while we up in this club, we just gon' dance a little bit. And if I rub on that monkey, excuse my hands in this bitch. See, it's gonna take like 30 seconds before I'm canning this bitch. I'ma jump in the sky, and I'ma land in this bitch. I swear to God, I'm official, just like a ref with a whistle. I got a dick like a missile, I'm cold like an icicle. It's Sub-Z on the track, Hide Up in the back. And I'm with Prince and Too Smooth, so poppin' for that. Hey, I eat, sleep, shit, and talk rap. If you ain't body, stop acting like you bout that. I ain't some felony charges, I fought that. And if I ain't a high bar, then what do you call that? Catch us in the club, my niggas in all black, on the bars, on the tabs, and jiggers and all that.
Yeah.
Your cap will get peeled the fuck back right quick. I ain't working with a full deck. I'm crazy. Lean in my cup got me lazy. Purple in my blunt got my vision all hazy. It's blurry. I wreck the fucking beat in a hurry. Yeah, mobbing like Steve Curry. And I don't even know who that is. Sub-Zero on the track, bitch, I handles my biz. I got the fucking joint, a nigga on point. Yeah, I don't know nothing that rhyme with points, so I'ma keep on going. Got the Panther on the wall, beating down your block, knocking pictures off the wall. Rapping on the beat by the biggest smalls. Money long, yeah, it's getting kinda tall, and I'm short. This is my part all day. I put my car in park, then I walk up in the club. A lot of haters mug, jump up in that water like you're jumping in the tub, and I'ma slaughter you. Sub-Zero on the track, nigga, pardon me. And I wreck every track, that's a guarantee. I put the track DDT. Yeah, I get a track of DDT, that mean I'ma kill it. Them hoes, yeah, I drill it. They got a free verse on the beat, then I'ma feel it. Man, you know what I'm saying. Choppers on deck and them niggas steady spraying. Get the lighter, crawling on the beat like a motherfucking spider. Rolling in this bitch like motherfucking Midas. Touch, I freestyle, yeah, much. Yeah, y'all niggas is lunch cause I eat these niggas and I beat these niggas. I'm winning in this bitch, I defeat these niggas cause all I do is win no matter what. And every time I step up in the building, their hands go up. Like the song say, you gon' fuck with Sub-Z, nigga, then you going the wrong way. 2 minutes, and I'm breaking records like fucking Guinness. I like the blunt like Popeye with the spinach. Yeah, Sub-Zero on the track, I finish. Like Mortal Kombat, finish him, man. I'm all about my motherfucking dividends. Prince sat down, king of the flats, yeah, I got the fucking crown. I'm a pitch on the mound. Like Young Jock, bitch, you know it's going down. Use a motherfucking clown if you think that you better. Sub got the cheddar, I'm cold in this bitch, get a motherfucking sweater. If you don't got a sweater, get your leather. And Frankfurt is my brother, and that don't rhyme. Yeah, I'm one of a kind, every day I just shine. Chain around my neck and you know that it's blinging. Bitch on the hook on Juicy, she was singing, but this the instrumental. I knock your ass out, now you gotta go fix your dinner. You dinner, yeah, I eat you cause I'm the fucking winner. You old news, riding spinners. I'm riding dabbing, y'all niggas laughing. Sub-Zero on the track and all I'm doing is rapping. Prince steady trapping, smoking on the draw, and I smoke the competition like a fucking Optimo. I want a black with me.
Yeah, we good.